Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar, your happy place to learn English with fun, real-life stories. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we post super easy English every week.
Yes, and today is episode 2, where we continue with more funny English stories, simple conversations, and useful real-life vocabulary.
Story 1, The Confused Shopper.
So, Alex, let me tell you something funny that happened at the supermarket.
Oh no, whenever you say funny, it usually means very embarrassing.
Not this time. Maybe a little. I wanted to buy brown bread, but the shop worker thought I said crown bread.
Crown bread? Bread for kings?
Exactly. He brought me a cake shaped like a crown.
And you accepted it.
Yes, because I was too shy to say no.
So instead of healthy bread, you ate royal dessert?
My diet cried.
Useful English from the story.
I'm looking for...
I think you misunderstood.
Do you have this in brown, large, small, cheap?
No, thank you. That's not what I meant. Story 2, The Alarm That Lied.
Okay, now my turn. Yesterday, my alarm betrayed me.
Your alarm clock lied to you?
Yes, it was supposed to ring at 6 a.m. It rang at 8 a.m.
Oh no, did you run?
I ran like a superhero, without superpowers.
Did you reach on time?
No, I reached exactly when the meeting ended.
Perfect timing, if the goal is to miss everything. Useful English.
My alarm didn't ring.
I overslept.
I'm running late.
I missed the meeting. Story 3, The Coffee Disaster.
Alex, tell them the coffee story.
No, please.
Yes, please.
Fine. I ordered coffee. I wanted extra milk. The barista heard extra silk.
Silk. What did she give you?
She gave me a smooth latte and smiled proudly.
Smooth latte. Super silky?
It tasted like regret. Useful English.
Can I get extra milk?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
That's not what I ordered.
This is a misunderstanding. Many practice. Repeat after us. Repeat after me. I overslept today. I didn't hear my alarm. I ordered the wrong thing. That's not what I meant.
Good. Repeat again. Can you speak slowly? I misunderstood. No problem. It happens.
Story 4, The Lost Wallet. In my pocket.
This one is totally Luna's fault.
Hey!
You told me your wallet was lost. You were panicking.
Yes, but I found it.
In your own pocket.
It was hiding.
It was in your pocket, not Narnia.
Useful English.
I think I lost my wallet.
Where did you last see it?
I found it.
Story 5, The Wrong Bus Adventure. Once I took a bus and realized it was going the opposite direction.
How did you realize?
When the city disappeared,
And what did you do?
I rode the entire route and came back.
A free city tour.
Useful English.
Is this the right bus to...
Where is this bus going?
I'm going the wrong way.
Practice time. Let's talk. Answer these easy questions in the comments. Did you ever take the wrong bus? Have you ever misunderstood someone? What's your funniest daily life mistake?
Write your answers in simple English. We love reading them.
If you enjoyed this episode 2 of our funny English stories,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.
See you in Episode 3. More funny stories coming soon.